Poppin' spent irises. There's bud, there's a spent iris. So I'm just gonna pop off the one that's done flowering. This one's pretty much done. I popped this one because here's a bud, so I don't want to get rid of that. There's a bud, there's a bud. These are all buds, and these are buds. And a flower that's kind of fading, and I'm going to pop it off only because I'm going out of town, and it's going to fade anyway. And then behind it, there's one that's faded, so just going to pop that one off. And this one. Leaving just the buds. They smell like grape. It's the craziest thing. More irises. Here's a spent one. Pop. This one had 2 flowers. They're already spent. This one's spent. I think I'm just gonna pop the whole stem off. Nope, not popping. All the buds are spent here. I'm gonna go down here. And that will leave this one blooming. There's a spent one next to this one right here. There we go. There's a bud with a spent one. This one's spent, but there's a bud. Oh, I just broke both. That's okay. Just gotta be careful, because this was going to be a flower. I wonder if I put it in water, if it will open up. This is brutal. Baby. I popped both of those off, but I need to just cut this whole stem off instead. With this one, the whole stem's coming down. Use this one. This stem here is completely spent, so I'm just going to cut above the freshest leaf, so right here. You can use your nails if you need to. If you can. So many colors. Wow, that is stunning. Unreal.